Here's how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. First, you need to open a web browser and go to Google or open your Gmail account. Then tap on this Google app icon in the top right corner of your screen and open your Drive. Once you're in the Google Drive, go to the top left corner of your screen and then tap on New. Tap on New Folder and name it. Tap on Create. And once the folder has been created, open it. Right-click on it. A small menu will appear where you need to go ahead and tap on File Upload. Now select the photo that you want to upload. If you want to share just one photo, right-click on it. Then tap on Share. Tap on Share again. Enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send this photo. Write a message and then tap on Send. But if you want to send the entire folder, come back, tap on the three dot beside the folder, then tap on Share again, and enter the email of the person to whom you want to share this folder, then tap on Send. You can also tap on this three dot, then tap on Share, tap on Copy Link, click on Manage Access, then go to the General Access tab, tap on this drop-down menu of Restricted, and tap on Anyone with the link, and send this link to the person to whom you want to send your entire folder. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.